If you apply rice water on your hair for 2 weeks, then what will happen? This is actually an old method which has been used in Asia for years. I am going to tell you a big mistake that people make while using this remedy, and along with it, I will also tell you the right method through which you will get much better results. Your hair will become stronger than before, and your scalp health will also get better. Now the biggest question is that after all, what does rice water do? Because in this you are neither eating rice nor drinking this water. If you see it online, then many methods of this are present. Some people take 1 cup of rice and add 2 cups of water in it. They leave it for 2-3 hours, then they take rice out from it and apply this rice water on their hair. But this method is not so effective. It will not make much difference. There is one more method in which you can turn this rice water into probiotic. You will make a probiotic liquid which will be ready in 48 hours, and then you will use this probiotic liquid. And in it, those all byproducts will also be present which are made from fermentation. Anyway, in rice, B vitamins are very much and B vitamins are very necessary for hair. In this liquid, amino acids are also there. Then one more interesting byproduct of fermentation is pitera. Many people use pitera on their skin. It is also present in many skincare products. Pitera works as an antidote for dull hair because it makes your hair very shiny and healthy. If you have dandruff or itching on the upper surface of skin, then these things will get much better. In this liquid, one more very important thing is lactic acid. This lactic acid is made by bacteria. Now maybe you think that the body should be alkaline and any acidic thing is not healthy. Now this thing does not apply in case of hair and skin. Lactic acid is such an acid which is beneficial for your skin and hair. It will reduce dull and frizzy hair, which is actually your problem. Along with this, there are more nutrients like magnesium and selenium. This liquid increases one more thing in your body which is called nitric oxide, and nitric oxide actually takes oxygen to the roots of hair. So overall this liquid is very useful for your hair, scalp and even for your skin also, and if you want you can also apply it on skin. Now I show you how to make this. You take only 2 cups of rice, put them in a bowl, add 4 cups of water in it. And I will suggest that you mash them a little with your hands so that the dirt or extra starch comes out from it. Then you throw this first water. Now in your bowl only wet rice will be left. Now at this stage add 2 cups more fresh water and then keep it at room temperature for 2 hours. Then after this take out this liquid and put it in glass jar. Cover the jar lightly, leave a little space so that during fermentation the air which will be made can easily come out. For this, instead of lid you can also use something like cloth or paper towel. And now what will happen in this is that yeast and bacteria present in air and rice will start to eat the carbohydrates present in rice water, and in byproducts vitamins, minerals and antioxidants will be produced. When you are fermenting any solution, then in only 24 hours of fermentation also this gets ready. In it, enough growth of bacteria happens. You can also use it after 24 hours. But then in the next 24 hours, you will get more benefit from yeast and their byproducts, which are more beneficial for your scalp, skin and hair. So if you want, you can continue fermentation for more days also. You can keep it for a week. Some people even leave it like this for a month. At room temperature, the problem comes that after 48 hours, a smell starts coming from it, which is a sign of bacterial overgrowth in this mixture. So do not let it stay at room temperature for more than 48 hours. After 48 hours, close it well airtight and put it in fridge so that cold temperature slows down this bacterial growth. Then you apply this on your hair. Keep it applied for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash the hair and use any mild shampoo. Just clean the hair well. It is only this much work. I will suggest that you use this remedy 2 times in a week, and as I said earlier, you can also apply it on your face. Take a small cotton swab. With its help, apply on face, wait for 20 minutes and then wash. So you must try this. I think that you're going to be quite impressed with this. And then surely comment and tell how this method was for you. I will meet you in the next video. Take care of yourself.